So guys, today I'm showing you how to install, better to say download because it's downloading only, turbo dismount. What you need to do is go into your browser, like here, and I found it only one link for free download of turbo dismount, or you can download it from Steam, really. But who wants to give money? Me not. Let me just open my browser. You gotta go at this link, which is in my history. I'm going to put it in the description so everybody can go there and find it. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the link. I'm going to put it in my description, and what you need to do is, this is in RAR. It doesn't ask for any password, so it's without survey. And what you need just to do is just, after downloading, extract it into at your desktop, in your folder, however, and you're gonna have this pretty little game, which is fun. And that was all for this time, and good.